What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Here we have some hose clamp pliers that are actually cable actuated hose clamp pliers, which are nice. You can get these at 1aauto.com. When you squeeze the pliers, this area is going to squeeze the clamp, and then you can release it right here with a release handle, like that. Sometimes it's hard to get into certain areas with regular hose clamps. If you're getting in there and then there's stuff in the way, you can't grab it. So if you have these on a cable, it actually helps you out. It's a lot easier to grab stuff. Get yours at 1aauto.com and you'll be ready to rock and roll.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.